This is the brand new Volkswagen Multivan, the new name for the Caravelle, and it's a radical reinvention of VW's MPV. Straight away, the brand new design makes a big impact, but it's the changes under the skin that are most impressive. The Multivan is now based on a car platform with the promise of a better driving experience, improved tech and a plug-in powertrain, along with its famous modular interior. So in this video, we'll take you through all of the new key features of the VW Multivan, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more of these brand new car reveals. VW is famous for the original Type 2 van. It was an icon, and over the generations the California Camper, Transporter and the Caravelle have remained among the most desirable vehicles in their classes. However, the Multivan aims to spice things up a bit. The styling is now much cleaner than before, and the Multivan has an altogether more rakish look. But it's the bits that you can't see that are even better, with a switch to VW's MQB platform. This platform underpins cars like the Seat Tarraco and Volkswagen Tiguan, and should mean that the Multivan is much better to drive than its van-based predecessors. But that's not all. The new platform has also allowed for a plug-in hybrid model for the very first time. The entry-level motor is a 1.5-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder with 134 bhp, and a 2-litre petrol bumps up power to 201 bhp. A diesel model joins the lineup next year, but it's the plug-in hybrid variant that's grabbing attention. It combines a 1.4-litre turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor for a healthy 215 bhp, and the battery is mounted under the floor for a better centre of gravity and more interior space. The Multivan can run on battery power alone for up to 31 miles to maximise efficiency during short trips. All Multivans are fitted with a quick shifting DSG gearbox, although the hybrid gets 6 rather than 7 speeds. Out on the road, the new model should bring a big step on from the Caravelle, but the biggest changes have come in that striking new interior. The new Multivan is VW's most spacious MPV yet, with clever design touches that allow interesting interior configurations. The dashboard has been completely redesigned for a more luxurious look, and the gear stick and handbrake lever have been removed in favour of electronic items to free up space. The gauge cluster and infotainment system are borrowed from the latest Golf, and the main screen itself is a decent 10 inches in size. But the news isn't all good, because the physical climate controls of the old Caravelle have been replaced by touch controls, which in our experience are more difficult to use on the move. At least the cabin should feel light and airy thanks to an optional glass roof, and getting in and out should be made easier by gesture-controlled, motorised sliding doors. You can even unlock the doors and set the climate control with your smartphone. The Multivan is available in either standard or long wheelbase configurations, the latter adding 200mm in length. Whichever you choose though, it'll be a versatile machine thanks to its modular interior. The 5 rear seats can each be moved forwards and backwards independently, or removed altogether for a vast 4,053 litres of carrying space. The second row seats can swivel around to face the rear seats, and then there's what VW calls the multifunction table. Normally, it acts as a centre console between the front seats, with cup holders and a retractable table for each passenger. However, tracks in the floor of the van allow it to slide backwards and move between the rear seat passengers, and it can also be removed altogether. The Multivan is fitted with more than 34 driver assists, allowing it to hit the brakes to avoid a collision and compensate for a crosswind, for example. But that's not all. The Multivan can even warn passengers of oncoming cars or cyclists when opening the doors, and it's the first VW equipped with the new IQ Drive system. This allows for semi-autonomous driving through lane keep assist and predictive cruise control. A 360-degree camera should also make slotting into tight spaces much easier, and at night, optional LED matrix headlights offer a permanent full beam without blinding oncoming traffic, which should be very effective. Check out this video where we tested the brand new DS9 to see how it stacks up in the world of executive saloons. Thanks for watching.